Got you looking at Thorn Bay, looking to the south at 8:42 a.m. And, well, look at there. And then we see an interaction going on. Big interaction. You know, the shiltards have never been able to address this. So if you're a shiltard and you want to take a stab at this and tell me why this is not what it looks like, I'd sure love to hear what you have to say. This is Thorn Bay looking to the west at 1:25 p.m. We have an object there. There's nothing for there to be a lens flare from. There is no sun there, anything like that. And we see a clear interaction going on. Now we see some flares and whatnot. And this is Thorn Bay looking to the northwest. This is fun with chemtrails. Edna Bay, Alaska, looking to the south. And, all right, so we've got some chemtrails starting up. I can't believe some shill came to me today and tried to point me to chemtrails being debunked. I mean, it's so pathetic. The people had lost, okay, so just forget it. Forget it. So anyway, here's interaction of the chemtrail with the, well, whatever that thing is, fake sun simulator. See how they sort of they're attracted to it. So there may be some electromagnetic capability or functionality between the sun simulator and these aluminum oxide, barium, sulfur dioxide, God knows what else, chemtrails. And then we see down here the object that is attempting to be obfuscated with these chemtrails. Interaction going on, major interaction. Lens flares do not spin and twirl and roll. And at like numerous airports. All right, so this is not an anomaly. This is a consistent pattern, provable, repeatable irrefutable. We're at Cake, looking to the southeast. It's 10:19 a.m. Look how bright it is out. And also note the planetary looking object right there. And we'll progress forward. It appears that there's potentially another planetary object right there. And let's watch and see if it gets darker out, as the sun is supposed to be going up at 11:20 in the afternoon. No, it's getting darker. What does that mean? Well, no clouds in the sky, so it can only mean one thing, which would be some type of eclipse. And come around to the side. Eclipse begins to end. We can see our object here. This, I believe, is some type of potential technology trying to obfuscate this thing, but it's not working. We see interactions going on here. And right there. Yep, now we'll just go backwards a little bit. Rolling, spinning, interacting, eclipsing, spinning, irrefutable. Okay, this is the same airport, but looking to the southeast at 11 o'clock in the morning. And we see the object, or not the object, another planetary looking object. Chemtrails are out there, but they're missing their target. CIA chem planes are off their game a little bit. And we see major chemtrailing here. Back up again just to show you. There is supposedly like 1,500 CIA pilots engaged in this. Probably fully compromised. In unthinkable ways. Well, I don't know what's going on today. I don't know if the CIA wanted a 3-day weekend or something like that. But every single airport I've clicked on, I've been able to find these objects. Here we are in the south, and right here, and it is 10:26 a.m. We see an interaction with the sun and sun simulator. We see a darkening of the sky, and a gradual brightening of the sky. You know, you would never be able to see this at every single airport in every single sky unless it was really there. That's the bottom line. So, Tenaki Springs, looking to the west, and it is 10:26 a.m. Progressing forward. We're going to see some things here real soon. All right there. All right, so we have definitely a huge planetary object here. You know, whatever this is, sort of is interesting. It does begin to take on a orbital shape. Clearly, we have this here. Now, what is that on the left? We are looking to the west. Going backwards now. Going forward again at, let's see, 3:30 roughly in the afternoon. Now, I thought that was going to be the sun poking through there, but it doesn't look like the sun, so I'm a little confused. So I'm just going to cut it out and we'll take a look. Oh yeah, remember that from yesterday? And when we enhance it, this is what we get. Well, I'm speechless. Let's go back and look at the original image again. I have not been able to do that with a actual sun, so I'm inclined to say that this must be something other than the sun. Holy cow. And we are at Tenaki Springs, looking to the southeast. Going forward here at 10:35 a.m. Seems to be a consistent eclipse time, where it gets pretty dark. We can see the object here, which is going to be of interest here. Now we've got this object here, and you can see that the clouds are clearly in front of it. So the object is, it's not a lens flare. It can't be a lens flare if it's behind the clouds. So there you have that. As I said, this is consistent at virtually every airport. I'm finding this, or these objects, and I don't know, it's a lot more intense today than it's been. So things are, and again, this has been a process. Like, we haven't always seen these things. I mean, it was like every once in a while I'd see something. Now it's every day I can find these objects in the skies. So it's real, guys. What's going to happen, we don't know. But I'm going to stop now, because I think my point is well made, and I don't know that I really need to just take more of your time or my time at this stage. It's obvious what's going on, and if I find something that's of interest, I'll bring it to you. But anyway, thank you for watching, and take care. Bye-bye. February 19, 2017. Got you looking at Thorn Bay, looking to the south at 8:42 a.m. And, well, look at there. And then we see an interaction going on. Big interaction. You know, the shiltards have never been able to address this. So if you're a shiltard and you want to take a stab at this and tell me why this is not what it looks like, I'd sure love to hear what you have to say. This is Storm Bay looking to the west at 1:25 p.m. We have an object there.